Alright, so in this video we will discuss about the alt attribute in the image element. Okay, so if I just go to MDN, as you can see, if I just go ahead here, so we are having this particular description of the image inside of the alt attribute. Okay, so the alt attribute basically stands for the alternate text for the image. So here, as you can see, the alt attribute holds a textual replacement for the image, which is mandatory and incredibly useful for accessibility. The screen readers read the attribute value out to their users so that they know basically what the image means. Okay, alt text is also displayed on the page if the image can't be loaded for some reason, for example network errors, content blocking, or link rot. Okay, all right, so let's have a look into that. Okay, so if I just go here, I will just get rid of this one. Okay, and we are having three images. The first one, let me just see what exactly is the first image here. Okay, refresh. All right, so I haven't saved that yet. Okay, all right, so this is the first one. It is the night sky, right? So what I can do, I can just do alt equals to, and inside of the double quotes I can add the description for that particular image. Beautiful night sky full of stars. Okay, hit save. Now our image has the alt attribute. Okay, and it is describing that particular image. So basically whenever you are adding the alt attribute, the alt attribute should describe the particular image. So whenever someone is going through our web page with the screen readers, this alt text will be spoken by the screen reader. Okay, all right. So if I just go here, as you can see, nothing changes. I cannot see the alt text unless or until what will happen if I just make this link invalid. Then as you can see, we are having the broken image icon, and then we are having the alt text here like, hey, beautiful night sky full of stars. Okay, all right, so in that way alt text are pretty useful. So you should be using alt text to describe your images. Also the description should not be too much long or too much short. Basically for you can just write 4 or 5 or maybe 10 words to describe the particular image. Okay, let's add the alt text for other images as well. So this is the one. This is the second image. Basically it is a very beautiful lake. Okay, so let's do something like alt and do very lake. Okay, all right, hit save. All right, and then we are having a riverside view. So I will just add alt of city beside a river. Okay, all right, so we have added all of the alt text for this particular images. Okay, all right, now one other thing you should remember, you should not be adding the alt text where the image does not provide a value to the web page content. So what do I mean by that? So I will go to the Discord web page or the website, and as you can see there are many of the images, basically the background images and so on and so forth, for just decorative purposes. Okay, as you can see there are many of the decoration images, and these images do not provide any sort of value to the content. Okay, so what we can do in that case, basically for example for our image 3, if this image just basically for the decoration purpose, then what we can do, we can just add the alt attribute and just leave it empty, something like that. You should not remove this particular alt attribute. So now you might be thinking like, hey, why can't we just get rid of the alt attribute altogether for this image? So what will happen whenever the screen reader will go through this particular image, it will say like, hey, this is an unlabeled image. Okay. To get rid of that particular text or that particular words, basically for the screen readers, what we can do, we can just add the alt attribute and just leave it empty. Okay. The alt attribute is very necessary, but depending on if the image is used for only decoration purpose, you should have the alt text as empty text. If the image is not for the decorative purpose and it adds the value to the content of the web page, then you should have a small description of the image inside of the alt attribute. All right, so this is the alt attribute in HTML image elements.